This is a Magic Square 2 puzzle, and the goal of it is to fit all 5 parts, including this black square, into the frame. This puzzle was designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov and made by Philos. Difficulty level of the Magic Square 2 is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. If you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. So the Magic Square 2 has 5 parts and a frame, and as you can see, the black square is on the side, and it seems like it is an easy puzzle. There is a huge spot here, and you probably can fit the black square, but no, you won't be able to fit it into this opening, so you have to rearrange all the parts and find the only correct solution how to put all parts inside the frame. And it will be not that easy as you can imagine, since as you can see I have rearranged the puzzle, but there is no space for the black square, and you have to try it again and again and again until you will be able to find the correct assembling. If you like the Magic Square 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.